Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a new table on Airtable. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, go to Airtable website and log into your account. After logging in, you'll land on the Airtable homepage, which serves as your main hub for managing workspaces and recent bases. Next, select the base you want to work with. In Airtable, a base functions like a project or workflow that contains all your related tables. Once opened, you'll see all current tables associated with that base. Now it's time to add a new table. Look for the Add or Import Table option, usually marked by a plus sign or labeled tab. Click on it, and you'll be given a few creation methods. For this tutorial, select Start from Scratch. This gives you a blank table to build exactly how you want. Once your new table appears, it's ready for customization. You can rename your table, change column types, and start adding records. Airtable's flexibility allows you to tailor the layout to your needs, whether for project tracking, inventory management, task lists, or custom workflows. And that's it. So that is how you can create a new table on Airtable. So that's all for this video. Thanks.